Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So now we are going to discuss about MSET problems, okay, various models for TS and AP students. Other states also can follow. At the same time, these problems are also very important for competitive examinations. Okay, so now let us switch on to the question now. If one root is square of the other root of the equation x square plus px plus q is equal to 0, then find the relation between p and q. So this type of problems has much importance, okay, for the competitive examinations. Okay, so don't be panicked by seeing the question. Let us start now. Solution. So let's x square plus px plus q is equal to 0. Let us mark this one as equation 1. So since it is a quadratic equation, there exist at most two roots. So given that the condition is one root is square of the other, okay, let alpha comma alpha square be its roots. So be its roots in the sense for this roots, and alpha square nothing but if first root is alpha, then the other will be square of the alpha, nothing but alpha square. So with the basic concepts of our this one quadratic equation we are going to follow, let us start and go through the direct steps. So we know that, or we have ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then the sum of the roots, the formula is given by alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and alpha into beta is c by a. So this is a relationship between the roots and its quotients of the given quadratic equation. So with this we are going to analyze this problem with the solution. So now, so therefore I can write this implies alpha plus alpha square is equal to minus b by a. A is 1, b is p and q is, and b is p and q is nothing but our c. So I can write now minus p by 1 and alpha into beta. So alpha into alpha square is equal to q by 1. So this implies now I can take alpha as common from this, so that I can write 1 plus alpha of 1 plus alpha is equal to minus p over by p upon by 1 nothing but minus p here, and alpha into alpha square alpha cube is equal to q. So now we are going to establish the relationship between the variables p and q. So here cubing on both sides for the given expression, we get, or we have alpha of 1 plus alpha is equal to minus p. This is whole cube and this is whole cube. So this implies now I can write here a into b whole power m, a power m into b power m. So alpha cube into 1 plus alpha the whole cube is equal to minus p cube, minus p into minus p into minus p. So minus p whole cube is minus p cube. Now expand, let us expand this one in the form of a plus b whole cube, x plus y whole cube. So this implies now I can write here this is alpha cube, a is 1, b is alpha, so 1 cube plus again alpha cube plus 3 into 1 into alpha into 1 plus alpha is equal to, I can write here minus p cube. What is left over here? RHS. Now this implies alpha cube is nothing but our q here. I am going to replace, so q into 1 plus again alpha cube is alpha power 3 is nothing but q plus 3 into alpha into 1 plus alpha is equal to minus p cube. Okay. So in the place of alpha cube I have substituted q. So this implies now I can write here q of 1 plus q plus 3 into alpha into 1 plus alpha. So alpha into 1 plus alpha is nothing but minus p. I am replacing here. This is minus p is equal to minus p cube. So this implies I can write now q into 1 plus q minus 3p is equal to minus p cube. So if you observe carefully, finally we got the relation between p and q, and alpha square has been vanished here by substituting various forms. This implies finally I can write in the standard form. So pq plus q of 1 plus q minus 3p is equal to 0. So this is the relationship between p and q. If one root is square of the other for the given equation, square of the other this one, okay, one root is, the relation between p and q is this one. And here if you observe carefully again, this is nothing but totally the formula which is applied here, and here cubing on both sides. So in this way we can go through it once you have a total look. So please viewers, share to your near and dear. We will go through more and more problems. See you in the next video session.